What's up, guys? So today I wasn't gonna put anything on, but I decided since I'm out, I might as well just stop by AutoZone and get some, I think it's penetration oil, because I'm gonna install the front end links and the bumper steer kit. And I already tried loosening the bumper steer bolt, but it's on there tight. So I'm gonna get some penetration oil and then go to AutoZone and get that and go home, install it for you guys. But then the only thing is I have ballpoint joints that are also coming in for the Boss, so they actually recommend that after you install bumper steer kits that you get it aligned. So I'm not gonna automatically get it aligned right after I install it. I'm gonna wait till my ball joints come in like the next few days, and I'm gonna install it for you guys, and then we get it aligned, and then I'm gonna do a review on how good the whole front sway bar and end links and the bumper steer and ball joints make a difference on the car. Because basically what I want to do for the Boss is basically make this car like an actual autocross track car, because there are a few tracks around here near me. So I want to try to build the suspension up as best as I can and just get the best feel for the car, take it there a couple times, see how the car is and if I need to adjust anything. But that's basically what my main focus is on the Boss, is building it as a straight track autocross car. I'm probably gonna keep it NA because I don't want, you know, any damage to happen to the car from force induction and stuff. And I do plan on keeping the car for a long period of time. So I know the Boss has forged internals and all the other stuff, but I just want to play it safe. So yeah, I'm about to go to AutoZone, get some oil penetration, and I'll see you guys when I get to AutoZone. Alright, we're at AutoZone.
That's what I'm here for, man. I'm here to help you. I ain't gonna let it swim.
Alright, just got home. I gotta get the stuff out. Trunk. Yo, I've been waiting for them to drop all this stuff. I got the non-acid wheel and tire cleaner. Alright. Got the quick wax. That's 720. Nasty. I only got it because it had a 720 on it. I was like, damn, that shit must be really good. Got the leather detailer. And I think that's a, what is that? Is that an LFA? Or like, I think that's the Lexus, I don't know. I know it's like the 80 grand Lexus, I know that. And what I needed, the penetration oil for these damn things. Alright, so what we're installing today is I got the Steeda, I think these are the bumper steers, yeah. So let me stand up the tripod real quick. Alright, so I got the Steeda bumper steer kit. So it comes with these, and then the adjustable links, however you want to set it. I'll probably just leave all of them on because that's what they recommend. So boom, like that. Next, I got the Endlinks. Now these are a huge difference from the OEM Endlinks on the Boss. I don't know if the Boss already comes with modified ones, because I know the Boss comes with like thicker sway bars and different struts. So I don't know if the Endlinks on the Boss are already modified, but at least the ones that are stock on there right now are, it's like literally this, like that thin, and this thing is thick. So basically what we're gonna be doing is, this is an 18th or 18 millimeter. We're gonna be taking this off and this off for the end link, and then for the bumper steer we gotta take this off and that part off. So this is probably gonna be, this is the part I said that's gonna be hard. That's why I bought the oil penetration, but these ones should be easy because I recently did break them off. Saw the anti sway bar. Jeez, I can't speak. But yeah, see, look how thin these are, and then look, I'm about to compare it to that. That's like crazy. It's almost double the thickness. It might not look like it on the video, but in person, like, yo. Alright, so I took it off. Alright, so I finally put it on. It looks good. I like the way it looks. Can't wait to see how it feels. So let's compare this one to the new one. See how much thicker that is? That's like, damn. I don't think it's gonna fall. No, so let's see. Does it take a 5/8? Nope. Let's see. This is the 18th. Yep, it is. So I'm gonna get the breaker bar, break that off real quick. Alright, so basically I had to turn the whole wheel to get it to pop out, and I popped it off with an 18 millimeter. So right now I'm just trying to actually take the bumper steer off. I'm pretty sure you have to like knock that off, but let's see. Oh yeah, I could have did that on the other side, but didn't even think of that. Boom. The end links are done. So let's look at the other side. I'm actually going to tighten it up. So that's pretty much it. Let me just make sure these are tight. There we go. Okay.